Wow.
Oh, watch out!
Nice out. On the green. 3 on.
Bilis?
Oh, nice in. Par?
Bogey.
Bogey. Good shot.
Ayaw, di ma.
Nice out. Left. Nice. Baba, baba. Eh.
Hey! All my 6 friends get well too.
You're missing the good thing.
You're missing a good thing.
The beautiful ladies with us. Yeah. It's better than what you had.
Sakto na pala yung 8, sir, no?
Yeah.
Okay. One more time.
Maganda eh. Hindi yung bola na titinig.
Fast green. Uy. Ulang.
Come on, Larry. What the?
Sumabit. Yan na. Yes! Wow, Annabelle. Yan yung umbrella girl. Naalalay sa player.
On the tee, all the way from Hawaii, Mr. Larry Mexaniti.
Wow. 0 handicap. In the middle. Sir.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from Wahiawa, Hawaii, Mr. Evaristo Tabion.
Shot. Beautiful. Your umbrella is beautiful. Okay, nice out. O, diba? Si Sir, guys, walang tiwala sa caddy niya. On the green kami. Lagpas pa nga, guys, oh. Sabi, nasa harap lang yung flag. Kaya, pag naka-golf cart yung player.
Sila naglalakad, tayo hindi.
Naku, lalabas. Stop.
Ay, caramba! That for me, playing with Philippines was bogey golf kami yung bogey golf. Bogey din yung level. Go bird.
Shot. Wow. Hole number 14. For playing 3. Nice. Kaliwa. Nice. 3 on YouTube yun. Sa YouTube. Nice pa. Oy. Walang.
I will do anything. Para wala nang seryoso.
Relax lang.
Oo, naku.
Ayaw, di ma.
Wow. Nabawasan sa oh, on the green. Yes. Uy.
Nasa green lahat yun kasi puro green na nandun.
May for caddy, may umbrella girl.
Oh my.
Guys,
Yung init na nagpapa
masama po yung laro ni Sir. 4 over kami. Yes. Run! In all! Birdie! Sayang.
tumakbo, pataas.
Patin par again. 4 par! Short! Sorry nyo. Ganito lang mag-drive, oh. Ganyan lang, oh. Kita nyo? Ganun lang. Wow!
Good.
Oh, mother of
Ghost.
Alam niyo meaning ni San Miguel? Sa aming nangyari, may isang gagong ulol ilasing. Pati ako lasing Pati ikaw lasing. Sige, inom na. Oh. Ayun, under.
Oh my God.
Safe.
Not a ball.
115, sir.
115. Let's play safe. Safe 9. We get up.
Ball.
Yung
Let's do this.
How big?
Ay, sus.
Wow. Ganda.
kanan.
Oh, sir.
Dapat i-straight ko na lang, ano?
Yes, sir. Wow. Kakaliwa yan. Yes.
Hindi mo mahina. Wala na, lasing na eh.
Right to left.
Right to left.
Yes, sir. Packet, sir, ha?
Bahagya lang, ha?
Pin out ba?
Yeah, please.
Ay! Uy! Tik na!
Take a chance.
Nice par!
On the gate.
Dalawang par, all bogeys. Uy. Okay lang, babalik yan.
Slow.
Oh, I don't hear the ball now.
Yo!
Oh, yeah, stop it.
Wow! Wow! No, no! Sakto lang! Wala kang tiwala sa akin eh. Next. Shorty.
Go.
Nice!
Go.
Right to left.
Ha?
Yan na! Go, 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 go. Yes, Birdie! Hindi umikot, di nag-break. Ang ganda na sana. Wow! See? On! Hole number 5, handicap 1, on the green.
I love you, baby.
Sa akin pala mag-appear. Akala ko sa audience.
Oh!
So I can steal one. Nice par. Eh. Wow.
Oh, watch out. Whoa.
Par!
You know why you're sitting on the job? I gotta wake him up.
Guys. Wow.
I will do anything. With this kind of hard job walking, hot. I want you guys to be comfortable too in walking with all the players. See?
Okay lang po, sir.
Come on, Angie. Your name is Angie. Angel without a wings.
Pwede mo lang refund, sir. Guys, drive ni sir, ha? Par 4. Hole number 6. Wow. Uy, kaliwa.
Go, go, go! Dapat left yung...
Yes, sir. Left po
Let me
talaga.
make you place.
Wow.
Oh, galing! Oh, not much. What's your name?
My name is, what do you like name? What do you like give me name?
Par!
I like that thing. Yes.
Yes, sir. Galing ka rin, sir, mag-ano, no?
The champion.
Wow, nice, birdie!
Oh, sorry. I hear the music.
Break in.
Behind.
Mother.
I try recover.
Nako, kaliwat ka.
You go straight.
Nice out.
Oh.
I know.
Wow, thank you so much.
Kung humana na tarantado.
Oh! Yes.
Yung sinasabi nila nga,
Cut.
ito especially ito kaya ito yung
Use driver for second shot. Wow. Lovely shot. Ay, kaliwa yan eh. Yan oh.
Yan. Pwede?
Pwede sir.
I love you.
Come on, birdie!
Yes! Woo! Ay! Balik na yan.
Sir, sabi mabalik ka ha.
Eh. Nice.
Wow!
Nice par.
Nice par, I take it. See? Birdie and par.
Tap. Good par. But I was asking them. They're so pretty. But the thing is, they're all single mom.